Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom hands are tied, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is when someone is prevented from acting or helping, even if they want to, because of circumstances beyond their control, such as rules, conflicting orders, or higher priorities. The man is looking to get a loan from the bank. The bank manager isn't coming across with any help. Is there anything you can do? I'm sorry, but my hands are tied. I can't approve this because of your credit rating. Now here are some more examples, starting with social situations. The student is looking to resit their exam. Their teacher says, "Unfortunately, I can't allow you to retake it. You have to resit the semester fully. There's no way around it. My hands are tied." After the lawyer asks the judge to be lenient, the judge lets them know. The law requires a harsh sentence in such cases. I'm sorry, my hands are tied. The politician breaks the bad news to the people. I'm sorry, everyone. After all the work we put into it, it looks like they are still going to demolish the old library. Our hands are tied. Now here are some more examples, starting with professional situations. The board have a meeting about recent losses. We have tried everything in our power to avoid these losses, but our hands are tied. We had to meet them head on. The interviewee asks if they can find out if they got the job. We still have to see more candidates, so at the moment my hands are tied. I'll call you in due course. The factory have to halt their supply. Our hands are tied. Production has to stop while we wait for a delivery. Where did you hear the expression hands are tied? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.